Looking for a budget-friendly 5G smartphone? We're diving into the world of Realme today, exploring an option that won't break the bank, the Realme Narzo 65G. This device is turning heads with its tempting price point and impressive 5G capabilities. Over the next few minutes, we'll be delving deep into its specifications, from its vibrant display to its powerful performance. So buckle up and get ready for a detailed run-through of this affordable powerhouse. Stay tuned as we unravel the features of Realme Narzo 65G. First off, let's talk about the design and display that catches your eye. The Realme Narzo 65G is a well-crafted piece of tech, boasting dimensions of 159.8 by 72.9 by 7.9 millimeters and tipping the scales at just 182 grams. This smartphone doesn't just feel good in your hand. It also turns heads with its color options of Mars Orange and Cosmic Black. Now let's move on to the display, which is a standout feature of this device. The Narzo 65G sports a 6.43 inches Super AMOLED display with a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels. Every image appears sharp and vibrant, but what truly sets it apart is the silky smooth 90 Hz refresh rate. This means your scrolling, gaming, and video playback experiences will be nothing short of fluid and seamless. With its sleek design and immersive display, Realme Narzo 65G offers a visual treat. But a smartphone isn't just about looks, right? Let's dive into its performance. At the heart of the Realme Narzo 65G is the Android 13 operating system. This is the latest offering from Google and brings in a host of enhancements and features that make the smartphone snappier and more efficient. Layered on top of this is the Realme UI 4.0, a user interface that is not just aesthetically pleasing, but also intuitive and user-friendly. It's the perfect blend of design and functionality, creating a seamless interface that's a joy to interact with. Under the hood of the Realme Narzo 65G, we have the MediaTek Dimensity 6020 chipset. This powerhouse of a processor ensures that the phone runs smoothly, whether you're gaming, streaming, or just browsing the web. It's the engine that powers every interaction, every swipe, every tap. But what about storage and multitasking? Well, the Realme Narzo 65G doesn't disappoint. With storage options of 128 GB or 256 GB, you have ample room for all your apps, photos, videos, and games. And if you're the type who loves to keep multiple apps open at the same time, the 8 GB RAM ensures that your phone can handle it with ease. No more annoying lags or freezes, just smooth, seamless multitasking. With such specs, Realme Narzo 65G ensures a lag-free user experience. Now, what's a smartphone without a great camera and a long-lasting battery? Let's take a moment to talk about the camera aspects of the Realme Narzo 65G. This device boasts a 64-megapixel main camera and a 2-megapixel depth sensor. These combine to give you sharp, vivid images with excellent depth perception. The main camera's high resolution ensures that you capture every detail, whether you're photographing a stunning landscape or a close-up of a beautiful flower. Now, let's not forget about the selfie camera. At 16 megapixels, it promises to take your selfie game to a whole new level. Whether you're video calling your loved ones or updating your social media profile, your selfie camera will provide clear, high-quality images that are sure to impress. What's more, both the main camera and the selfie camera have video recording capabilities. You can record your favorite moments in full HD at 30 frames per second. Imagine capturing your child's first steps or a breathtaking sunset in high definition. You won't miss a single moment, and you'll be able to relive them over and over again. Now, let's move on to the battery. The Realme Narzo 65G comes equipped with a 5000 mAh battery. This high-capacity battery will keep your phone up and running for longer periods, whether you're browsing the web, streaming videos, or playing games. And when it's time to charge, you don't have to wait long. Thanks to the 33W wired charging feature, your phone will be back to full power in no time. In summary, the Realme Narzo 65G offers a robust camera setup, capable of capturing high-quality photos and videos. Simultaneously, its long-lasting battery ensures that you can use your phone for extended periods without worrying about running out of power. With Realme Narzo 65G, capture your memories in high quality and stay online longer. The Realme Narzo 65G doesn't stop impressing with just these features. Let's delve into the additional perks that this device packs. One of the most appreciated attributes is the under-display fingerprint sensor. This cutting-edge technology gives the smartphone a sleek, button-free look, while also providing a quick and secure way to unlock your device. The sensor is responsive and accurate, ensuring you won't be fumbling around trying to get into your phone. But the Realme Narzo 65G doesn't stop there. It also comes equipped with an accelerometer, a feature that might seem standard but plays a crucial role in enhancing your user experience. Whether you're gaming or using fitness apps, the accelerometer ensures optimal performance by adjusting the orientation of your display and tracking motion. The device also boasts a gyro sensor, which further enhances the gaming experience by detecting rotation and helping to provide more precise control. Alongside this is the proximity sensor, a small but mighty feature that detects when the phone is near your face during calls, turning off the display to avoid accidental touch inputs. Last but not least, the Realme Narzo 65G features a compass, a handy tool for those who love to explore. Whether you're navigating your way around a new city or just trying to find your car in a crowded parking lot, this feature can be a real lifesaver. Now, let's not forget about the 5G network capability. The Realme Narzo 65G, as the name suggests, is 5G ready. This means you can enjoy lightning-fast internet speeds, lower latency, and a more seamless online experience, whether you're streaming, gaming, or just browsing the web. Packed with these features, Realme Narzo 65G offers a comprehensive smartphone experience at a budget-friendly price. It's a device that proves you don't have to break the bank to enjoy the latest technology and a smooth, efficient user experience. The Realme Narzo 65G truly is a smart choice for the savvy smartphone buyer. So, there you have it. The Realme Narzo 65G comes in a sleek design, boasting a 6.43 inches Super AMOLED display. It's powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 6020 chipset and offers up to 256 gigabytes of storage, along with 8 gigabytes of RAM. The phone features a 64-megapixel main camera and a hefty 5000 mAh battery. Additional features include an under-display fingerprint sensor and 2 vibrant color options. In conclusion, the Realme Narzo 65G is a budget-friendly 5G smartphone that doesn't compromise on features or performance.